Let's make some corned beef and cabbage soup. All right, what we've done is yesterday we bought this piece of corned beef and we cooked it in the oven. If you don't have that in your store, if you want, you can just go to the deli section. You want to get enough for 2.5 cups of corned beef, which is going to be roughly 12 ounces. We've taken that fat. If you don't have that fat, go ahead and put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the bottom of a cast iron skillet. We're going to turn that on. We're going to put in 1 diced onion, 2 chopped celery stalks, and 2 carrots. We've left the skin on. We just make sure they're nice and clean. And we're going to cook this 5 to 6 minutes. We just want to begin to get that softened. After that softened just a little bit, we're going to put 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. And we're going to cook this for another 1 minute. All right, now we're going to add 4 cups of water. Four cups of beef stock. Or right around there. It's close. Go ahead, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/4 teaspoon of dried mustard. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of thyme. We're going to use 1/2 of a small cabbage that we've chopped coarsely. Three medium-sized yellow potatoes that we've cut into a little quartered there. We're going to stir this all together. We're going to bring it to a boil. All right, and I almost forgot, we have 1/2 cup of white quinoa. Now, if you want, you can use barley. Barley is more traditional. We just didn't have it in our local store. Just going to add that and mix that in with our soup. As you can tell, it's beginning to come to a boil. We're going to reduce this to a medium-low heat, and we're going to simmer this for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're going to add our corned beef. It's going to be about 2.5 cups. We're adding just a tad bit more, so it's really up to you how much you want to choose, but we would say a minimum of 2.5 cups. Once we get our corned beef in and stirred, we're going to cook this for an additional minimum of 15 minutes. You want 15 minutes in order for that corned beef to get nice and hot on the inside, but then you want to check your potatoes to make sure that your potatoes are cooked all the way through. All right, it's been our 15 minutes. We've already checked our potatoes. They are done. This is going to be a delicious, hearty soup. You can just see the quinoa all throughout it. We have the carrots, the potatoes, the sauce, the cabbage. Look at that. It looks absolutely delicious. We hope you'll give this recipe a try. Like, subscribe, and share.